What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see from the title and thumbnail, we are doing Christmas lights on my Gen 2. But as you guys can clearly tell, this is not my Gen 2. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this one out of here and get the other one in here. YouTube, so we just received the lights in the mail. This is what we got. I will put the link in the description if anybody wants one. It does not come with the adapter, but I might have to fabricate something. But this is what it comes with. I don't think this is gonna be enough. I think I'm gonna need more than this. It's only 20 bucks though. Check this out, y'all. This thing looking like barbed wires.
Katie, run it up.
We just finished the whole front bumper, hood, fender. This side is done. If I have enough to go around twice, I will. But honestly, I don't think I'm gonna even have enough in general for the back. But if anything, I'll probably shoot the Walmart, grab some more. But that's kind of cool like this.
Katie, run it up.
So, as you guys can see, it's not dark yet, but sheesh. Alright, y'all, as you guys can see, it is very late. Now I got the lights on. Die home. So as you guys can tell, I didn't get to do the wing and not the whole bumper, but I'm gonna order another kit. Check this out. We got one of these reindeers. Face ass boy. How you put this on? Is this the right way, or is it supposed to be the other way? Oh yeah. Hold that. What's this, John? What's this? The tail? Never. I'm not putting that on. Can somebody put this on my grill? What's your finger? Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we got the car back in the shop. Now I'm going to dry the car off so we can stick some more. Guys, so we got the car all dried. For the most part, we're just going to let it air dry. Then we're going to start the process. Like I said, this is already 1,000. We're adding another 1,000. So let's get started. Guys, so this is the kit. Same as that kit I had last time. Just a little tip for y'all. If you are doing it by yourself, I like to just rip pieces of tape and just sit all around the car. Just so you wouldn't need another hand to rip you a piece of tape.
Katie, run it up.
YouTube, check it out. This is 2,000 pieces. Doesn't look like a lot, but it is. Got the wing, trunk now. Fully completed the back bumper. Added some more to the front bumper, hood. Let me show you guys what it looks like on. Alright y'all, let me show you what it looks like on. So, let's go ahead and get in the car. As you guys can see, my door still opens. Let me turn this light on. Alright. Let's go ahead and set my wire up. That's one kit on. Let me turn the light off for y'all. That's one kit. Now, this is... Actually, then it won't work. YouTube, so I just tried to give this a shot, and my plugs don't fit side to side, so don't bet on me, but I'm about to risk it all for y'all. That's what I do for y'all. Hopefully my car doesn't catch on fire, but let's go ahead and plug this up. All right, that's plugged up. This one is in. This one is in. All right, let's give it a shot. Please don't blow up. Yes, sir, ski. And now, I'll make sure this isn't all the way. Uh-oh, nothing's lighting up, chat. Oh, that's why. Sheesh. Let me cut the light off for y'all. So we got the car out to the yard. Let's go ahead and go get these rollers real quick.